Hi, people.
So I have my iPad on. Hopefully this doesn't fall off. But you guys know that took out my, I cut my locks off so I could wear braids for my vacation. And I used, let me go get it. Hold on. I told myself I was ready to film this, but I was not. So this is going to be backwards, of course, but this is Bobbi Boss, which I've had bad experiences with Bobbi Boss before. But this is a pre-curled, stretched 28-inch. Make sure you look at the bottom because Ocean Wave, there is another one that's like a body wave. And I used 1B in the back, 2 in the middle, and then I mixed 2 and 4 on the top. So I have some highlights, but you saw how nice and slick the bun was, but wait till you see how full this is. It's ridiculous. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? But I need to cut it because you can see I did short, medium, and then long. And I need to shape it. Oh shit. So I have a comb and I have scissors. So let's start. Ooh, that works really good. And I'm pulling it tight and just running it along. And I'm gonna bring this on vacation too, because if it starts to get matted up, I can just chop off the matted ends. But I want it to kind of, hold on. I want it to kind of come like that. God, this one works great. Keep getting it caught. Not good. And then we should flip to the other side. And if I would have paid attention more when I was braiding, I wouldn't even have to do this. But this works much better than the scissors. That might have been a little too much. So if your hair is layered, when you go like this, it should be straight. Should be. Look. How's that look? So now when it comes to the front, I'm scared. That's why I'm not putting. I just want to make sure there's no super long ones that are out of place. Kind of want to make these even shorter here, but let's not get too crazy. But this hair is so soft. You see that one? And you see this one? I should have showed you the back before I started. Okay, I think I'm done. There's one right here. All right, I'm gonna do the rest off camera, but this is my vacation hair. And I'm gonna swim, I'm gonna swim in this, but when I swim, I'm either gonna do 2 French braids, probably 2 French braids. And then towards the end of my vacation, I'm gonna do a photo shoot in the water and just leave it loose in the water. Could you imagine this? All flowy in the water? It's gonna be good. But that's it. That was easy. I've been nervous to do it, and I still have that 1 pack of hair left that I'm gonna take on vacation with me. Is that even? I love it. I love it. Pull all the straggly ends out. Where's my scissors? Now I'm not taking length off, I'm just cutting those little wispy ends. Okay, get the scissors out of my hand. Oh, it's gonna look so good. Let's see how it looks with my hat. Because I have a couple outfits that cover my big forehead. Oh my God. See, when I wear the hat, I would like these layers shorter. But for now, it's good. You can always cut it shorter later. So I didn't want to do the boho, what is everybody doing? The boho goddess. If you remember, when I went to Thailand, I did those boho whatevers. And the hair ended up looking really bad, which this might end up looking really bad. But right now it looks good. But thanks for watching. If you guys want to see how this hair holds up on vacation, go to my other channel, Deja Does Na Grill, and you will see all my fabulous outfits. I can't with this hair. It's hot though. It's almost like wearing a wig when it's down. But like I said, when it's up in a bun, oh, and to seal it, I did, I did I knotted the edges, whatever. But look how small I can get this in a bun. Oh, now that I have layers, it's a little bit different, but look. Okay, I'm done playing. All right, see you guys. Bye.